everyone, today we're going to interview random students about their weekly allowance and saving habits. Without further ado, let's go! Hi everyone, today I'm with
John Gabriel Camacho.
What is your course?
I'm from BPA 1-1.
How much is your weekly allowance?
About 1,500 per week.
How do you budget your allowance?
Because I'm from another province, I usually don't spend much because I rent. Nag-rent ako sa boarding house, and so nag-budget ko is ang akong way is galakaw ako paari sa school since lapit naman, and ang meal ko is I only eat twice a day. It's more efficient for me, and ako gid mas na priority ang schools over other ones.
Hi everyone, my name is Sunny P. Balagunsa, and together with me
I am Chani Yamin from BS Math.
How much is your weekly allowance?
Since I am a working student, like working call center, probably it will be 8K or around 5.
How do you budget your allowance?
By just simply like dili i-withdraw tanan sildo, like tagi-tagi lang. Every day is around 300 to 500.
Okay. What is your inspiration in life?
Probably my parents. They are the reason why I pursue college, and also at the same time working call center to sustain our needs.
Hello everyone, my name is John Kerchin, together with
Enricoso John Steven.
What is your course?
Bachelor of Science in Electrical Engineering.
How much is your weekly allowance?
Sa kidan na lang, wala ko yung allowance. Kuan, namo ko ka ng trabaho sa wala ko ibaon, di ko tagag-bound man. So ako di mangitag kwarta para ko.
Yeah, yun sa mga ko budget.
Kuan, usay kay mukaon no kaduha sa isa ka adlaw.
What is your inspiration?
Dili ko sure ko inspiration, pero ang nag-fuel nako nga mapadayon kay kana gani mga tawo nagabi-abi sa kuha kanang ila kong dauton ya. Ako improve sa ilaha nga sayop sila.
So hello everyone, ako din si Raymar. Unsa imong pangalan, sir?
My name is Marlon J. Bacolod.
Unsa imong course?
My course is Bachelor in Science and Marine Transportation.
So how much is your weekly allowance?
My weekly allowance is 150.
How do you budget your allowance?
Kanang tipid ra gid.
What is your inspiration in life?
My inspiration is life is my family and my girlfriend.
Girlfriend, wow! Ipakita ang girlfriend niya, pare. I didn't nila lang.
Hello everyone, my name is Miljit Radjo, and I am here in Plaza Independencia to interview this person. What is your name?
So my name is Charlotte S. Ligaray.
What is your course?
So my course is Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Math.
How much your weekly allowance?
500.
How do you budget your allowance?
Dili siya budget kay ang 100 everyday kay enough ra para sa bus fare ug sa foods.
What is your inspiration in your life?
So my inspiration in my life is kanang akong family ra and friends.
Hello, I'm John Erneo Comad, and we are in Plaza Independencia. I will be interviewing these 3 people. What is your name?
I am Nicole. I am Bernadette. This is Teresa.
What is your course?
Bachelor of Arts in Literature.
How much is your weekly allowance?
Ako kay 1,000. 500. 300.
Okay. How do you budget your allowance?
Sa ako kay 500 for weekly groceries and 500 for kanang gasto-gastoon. So ako kay kanang usay di mo kaon. Tapos usay kay ikuan ng like tag 50-50 ikuan na tunga siya. Ako kay kanang kuan naray ka ng lain-lain naman akong para bawon sa school.
So hello everyone, my name is James Ryan, and I'm here in Plaza to interview these people. So first, what is your name?
I'm Yanyan Rosales.
John Alron Solana.
What is your course?
We are under Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management.
How much is your weekly allowance?
1K.
I don't think it's confidential, but 1.5.
How do you budget your allowance?
Kuan 200 pesos per day na
buying food stuffs and hanging out with my girlfriend.
What is your inspirational in life?
Work hard and spend hard.
Me personally, first of all, is my family, of course. And then, I came from, dili mo ko taga Cebu. I am from Leyte, so I came along para mag-school para Cebu. So, yeah, my family, of course, me personally, because throughout my journey, akong kabalingon na may akong naka.
Good evening. First, what is your name?
I'm Princess, then I'm Yani.
What is your course?
Bachelor of Arts in Communication, Media and Information Literacy Education.
How much is your weekly allowance?
Every day manggod siya, so 150 a day.
Weekly, mga 1K. Yeah, 100 every day.
Next is, how do you budget your allowance?
For me, kay 150 manggod siya, so maglahi na ko o kanang lahi na ako 100 per every day, then 50 is wala na siya. Ipon na ako until Friday.
Ang pag-budget na ko is magdala ako bound sa eskwelahan para makasave sa kwarta. And then, the rest kay more on sa mga project, print, snacks. Ganun ako pag-budget.
What is your inspiration in life?
Sa karon kay ang inspiration ako ay maka-abroad.
Family girl, inspiration karon.
Ikaw, ang inspiration mo? Family?
Dili.
Ang inspiration mo myself? Siya.
I'm January Neokomar. I'm in Plaza Independencia. I'll be interviewing these three ladies here. Okay, what is your names?
My name is Melody Duran.
I am Kisha. I am Janelle.
What is your course?
We are from BS Ed Math.
Okay, how much is your weekly allowance?
Around 600. 600. 1.5. Ako kay 500 every week.
Now, how do you budget your allowances?
Like, bring baon para dili like gasto kayo.
Lunch, mga snack, anything basta makakon siya sa akong allowance.
Ako kay sakto ra plate.
Hello everyone, I am with
David. Zaira. DJ.
What is your course?
Criminology.
What is your weekly allowance?
1,000. Less than 1,000. 1,000 per week.
So how do you budget your allowance?
I-budget siya by 150. For example, 50 ako sa ka-week. Sa ka-adlaw I mean. Magdepende if ever na ay mga amutan kay nibid ako umagasa every week or every day. Budget kay nay kanang naitiguman bitaw, so mahog nga ang everyday kay within kanang less than 100 lang ang magasta.
What is your inspiration in life?
Ilag tarong. Kaya na allowance siya rat. Oo kan. Mas ilag tarong for the future. Kan para sa family.
Hello everyone, my name is James and I'm here in Plaza to interview this beautiful lady. What is your name, ma'am?
My name is Charis Faith.
What is your course?
Program BS Technology Management.
How much is your weekly allowance?
1.5.
How do you budget your allowance?
Ang para pliti ginalahi, and then sa pang lunch, and ang katong sobra kay kanang ginagay para sa savings.
What is your inspiration in life?
Akong mama.
Hello, my name is Miljit Radjo. I am with
Micaela Marie Cabangyan.
What is your course?
I'm actually taking a Bachelor of Science major in accountancy.
How much your weekly allowance?
Weekly allowance kay 1,000.
How did you budget your allowance?
I actually cook rice sa boarding house para makatipid, then kanang mobile ugsod and ranging from 20 to 40 pesos.
What is your inspiration in life?
My inspiration kay first and foremost is God. So kanang I want to figure out my purpose. Then since my passion is kanang more on numbers and figures, so I pursue accountancy. So next is my family. So obviously kanang I want to help them also.
Thank you. Okay, thank you, ma'am. So that's all. Pailayin ako. Interview this one of
Ay, dire na lang, dire na.
myself.
Sia. Thank you so much.